Hey guys, Mark with Damascus Enterprises. We are down in Washington, D.C. This is our first build of 2020, and what we're going to be doing down here is on the slope here, we're going to be putting in a pondless waterfall with an approximate 12-foot stream with a few drops. So that's what we're going to get started on here, and we'll show you the progress along the way. Hey guys, Mark with Damascus Enterprises here. We are end of day 2. It's been a busy day today. So as you can see here, we have our pond dug. We finished that yesterday, our basin dug, sorry. Got that dug yesterday. We got our waterfall shaped. And then today we have our aqua blocks in, our vault in, plumbing in, and we have started rocking in our stream and falls. Our spillway is right up top here, covered by our faux driftwood here. Hide that nicely. So we'll be back tomorrow, get this thing hopefully finished up. If not, it's going to be pretty close. So we'll keep you in touch with our progress here. We are in the afternoon of day 3. So as you can see here, we have our water feature finished. So we've got our spillway up here at the top hidden. We have the faux driftwood covering it with the rock on top coming down. A couple of drops here and turning, and then going into our aquascape basin. So this is what we've been working on, and I think it looks great.